is going on, guys? This is an exciting day. Also kind of sad. I definitely am going to miss this car, but I'm on my way to the airport to pick up the winner of this B5 S4 giveaway. Super excited for it, for him as well as for us, for we're able to successfully do this. I really do appreciate all you guys that participated. Obviously had no idea how this was going to go going into it. We invested a ton of time and money into doing this, and we are still pretty far in the hole over the whole endeavor, but it's a new business, new idea, so it's kind of to be expected. I think overall we did meet our realistic expectations, but I'm going to be sad to see this car go. It's been a great car. I pretty much daily drove it for the last 2-3 months, put a couple thousand miles on it. Not a single issue besides a couple blown off throttle body boots due to that Brad tune that we got on here. So future owner might want to do a solid throttle body conversion, or maybe a silicone. Stock one, you know, just kind of gets pissed every so often if you do too many fun shenanigans. But other than that, car's running great. No engine lights. It's just literally been a great car. So I'm super excited. Hopefully the winner will have a ton of fun with this car and it will treat him as good as it did us. But for now, I'm going to keep trucking down the road to the airport, get him picked up, get him familiar with the car, do some paperwork, and get him sent home with his new clapped B5 as the internet knew it. So again, really do appreciate you guys that entered. Stay tuned for the next one. We do have some ideas going. If you do have ideas of what you would like, we have been talking about potentially doing some parts giveaways such as turbo setups, maybe turbo and tuning combos. We probably will do another B5 related giveaway after this, and then we might switch platforms and do something maybe a little newer, or maybe something on the Volkswagen side, kind of depending what pops up that's kind of cool and that guys might like. So drop a comment if you got an idea of what you would like to see on the next giveaway, and we will see if we can get this off the ground and growing, or we can keep giving cool things away. Nice big speed bump here. right, there is our man. What's up? What do you think?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Beautiful.
He's a little dusty from the trip, but
yeah. It's a nice car, though.
not bad for
playing for $30.
Oh man, yeah. I'll give you a couple revs for you. So, well, I guess we might as well hit the road. Get out of here before we get kicked out. Got a pretty good flight.
Yeah, not bad at all. I slept a lot.
Oh, nice.
It sounds good.
Yeah. Brad got us a pretty nice tune for it. Got all the burble, two-step, rolling into lag, everything with.
I heard that video with the leg and it sounded good.
Yeah, so we basically told him I don't want crazy power that's gonna, like, you know, put it right to the edge.
Yeah.
But I want all the fun stuff.
Yeah, for sure. You gotta have crackle.
So, yeah, got us hooked up with that. Alright guys, out for the first drive in the giveaway car. What do you think of that?
I like that a lot.
A little bit of throttle response there.
Yeah, for sure.
That's just revving it, dumping the clutch?
Yeah. I just got the dust.
Alright guys, giveaway car is rolling out.
First giveaway. Good job, Ryan.
Alright guys, so that wraps up our first giveaway. Had a lucky winner, happy with the car. He's heading back to Michigan right now. So I, again, really do appreciate everyone that bought merch, helped, all the followers we ended up gaining, because like I said, we started from absolute scratch on this one, on our page, on all our different pages. So stay tuned for the next one. We are currently talking and coming up with ideas.
Comment any ideas you have, what you want us to give away
Yep.
next.
So yeah, comment. What do you want to see? Do you want to see parts? Do you want to see tuning? I don't know if we'll do another car right away. We're in the market watching for a cool car, but we might throw in some smaller. We said either like a turbo kit or possibly tuning or something like that. So drop your comments. We'll probably do the next one also B5 related, and then we might move on, like I said, to some different platforms and different stuff. So for now, I think that's going to wrap it up. Thanks to everyone
supporting us.
Thank you. And we'll see you on the next one.